Hi, my name is Suhani Shah and I am from Ahmedabad. I'm currently working with a jewelry and a bag designer as an intern. I got 8 bands in my IELTS examination. I scored highest, which is 8.5 bands in listening and in reading. For the reading section, I used to regularly read a lot of passages because time is very less. So I used to catch up on my speed, and that's what helped me the most in my reading. I started conversing in English with my friends and my family. Also, I started watching a lot of English shows and English channels, which helped me with my listening also. So for in the reading section, the passage and the questions are given side by side on the same screen. So it helped me save my time a lot, because in paper-based tests you have to go back and forth to look at the passage and to look at the answers, which is really time consuming. My weakness was particularly I could not really read and grasp fast, and so that for that I started reading a lot of books, and my vocabulary was weak. So whenever I come across a word which I could not understand, I quickly looked it up and understood the meaning. Not any particular course or videos, but I used to see different random videos on YouTube, and that's about it. For the exam day, I would just like to tell all of you to be just calm and focus, and not try to study a lot of it at that time, because you won't be able to remember it. You just need to be calm. What I would like to share is, from my experience, you need to concentrate a lot and try not letting your mind go to other places, because concentration is one thing that is really required, because for listening especially, you cannot listen to the recording twice. So basically, the user interface of the software was really good, and the IDP website has have 2 or 3 tests wherein you can get familiar with the software. So that is the one thing that really helped me, and I could solve tests, and that's it.